Hi, my name is Hezekiah Stump. I'm an assembly technician here at Accu-Tech Precision Aerospace. Joining assembly with no prior aerospace background was a little bit challenging and scary at first, but being able to find out that I had a very supportive team around me to be able to help me learn new jobs and new processes that I'm not really familiar with has been a real nice help. If you're working on a part and trying to finish it just to get it done in a quick manner, it's never going to be done right. The amount of time that you sit and spend on a part is going to ultimately determine how good it turns out. People think that it requires a lot of expertise and knowledge to be able to do jobs here in assembly. The reality is I graduated with an associate's degree in multimedia and video, and I'm still able to put all these parts together. The training here is really great. People care about your success and they want to see you grow and be better at what you do. One of the most satisfying parts of my job, especially once I'm done with the job, is to be able to look at that part and realize that that's going on an aircraft or a submarine, and knowing that my hands touched that and that I had a role to play with that part.